Windows updates are essential, but a faulty update can cause havoc for a device, and sometimes our only option is to uninstall. Hello everyone, and welcome to TechFixFlix. Whilst we always advocate installing updates from Microsoft soon after their release, this strategy is not without risk, and a poorly coded update can create serious problems for the end user. In this video, we uninstall a problematic update. For quick access, we always pin the Settings app to our taskbar, but it can also be accessed by clicking the Start button and clicking the Settings cog, located immediately above the power icon. Alternatively, pressing the Windows key plus I has the same effect. At the Windows Settings dialog, we click Update and Security, arriving at the Windows Update menu, from which we select the option to view update history. The Update History screen lists every feature and quality update on our device, in chronological order of installation, and you may need to scroll down some way to reveal each installed update. Note that the descriptive text details the type of update, the program to which it applies, and the knowledge base reference number, and clicking on the text will launch your default browser, displaying an article providing an extended description. Closing down the browser window and returning to the Update History screen, the crucial option to uninstall updates is provided here, and clicking the link opens a further dialog listing each installed update. These updates are grouped by product, and whilst your list may differ from ours, note that we need to scroll down beyond the Office updates to reach the Windows updates. Of course, for many people, it won't be clear which update should be uninstalled. In the absence of any further context, we'd certainly be looking toward a Windows update rather than any other software category, and we'd most likely be investigating the update most recently installed. Of course, we shouldn't base our selection on guesswork. In this instance, we've identified a specific update, namely KB4535996, because our system is exhibiting symptoms which have been described in a number of online articles. Unfortunately, each instance will be different, and you should conduct extensive online research before removing a specific update, as there always exists the danger of fundamentally destabilising your installation. You can of course minimise the risk by creating a system restore point, following the instructions in our tutorial shown on screen now and linked in the written description accompanying this video. Once you're certain that you've backed up your system or created a restore point, you can click the update you wish to remove, clicking yes to confirm your consent to uninstall. Uninstallation may take some time, after which you may be required to restart your device. Our machine now restarts. Incidentally, if your error prevents you from accessing the desktop, this method will work in safe mode, and we discuss accessing safe mode in the tutorial linked in the description. Once we are logged in, we are returned to our desktop. At this point, assuming that we've correctly identified and removed the troublesome update, our system should now be functioning normally. We have the option to reapply the update by returning to Settings and again to Update and Security, clicking Check for Updates, allowing the check, subsequent download and installation to take place. Of course, we would only realistically want to do this after Microsoft had repaired and reissued the defective update, in order to prevent the problem reoccurring. Naturally, we might well need to run Windows Update to obtain other patches in the interim, so how can we prevent the troublesome update returning? The answer lies with Microsoft's Show or Hide Updates troubleshooter, which can be obtained via the link shown on screen now. Clicking the link immediately downloads the small diagnostic tool, which can be run without installation. Clicking Next at the introductory screen performs a search for updates, after which we are presented with two options. The first of which, Hide Updates, allows us to select any non-working updates and prevent them from being included in any future installation. Conversely, the Show Hidden Updates option will allow us to show previously hidden updates. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing by clicking the logo on screen now. If you'd like to see more, there are two suggestions currently on screen. If you have a better, faster or more economical solution, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. You're also welcome to follow us on Twitter. Until your next tech fix, goodbye.